Okay guys, I wanted to make a quick video on my 997 turbo. I had some creaks and noises and rattles that got worse on a 300-mile run that I just got back from. I had a little bit of noise before, and I kind of tore into it, and I'll tell you what I did. The console and the cup holders. So anyways, I went into this cup holder here and kind of noticed that the tension on this wasn't there. So like the other one has a good amount to it. Actually, they're both about the same now. But anyways, what you do is you basically just take this. There's two bolts down here, one here and one here, and Allen wrenches, and then you can slide this whole thing out, and there's like 3 little bolts on top that you can undo and take the cup holder out. And there's a spring. In my case, it wasn't the rod that was broken like some have said before. It was the little spring with the hooks on both ends to bring it in and out. And so that was causing that little bottom of the thing to flap up and down inside here. And there was also a piece of plastic that was broken off in there. That may have been part of that. Then over here at my console, I went down and I took this piece out and checked that bolt in there. I took this cigarette lighter out and I put some thick electrical tape in there and kind of secured that a little bit more. But the other thing I noticed too is this little rubber tab. There's one that's supposed to be over here. I didn't have it. So what I did is I just got some little sticky foam pads and put that in there. I also put some silicone spray in this because that rattled a little bit, I think. And I even silicone sprayed around here just a little bit and wiped it because that was making some creaky marks, noises too. But what I used for that little spring, it was just a little teeny tiny spring, is I tore apart a pen and cut the spring in half and then created 2 little hooks in it and put it in there and hooked it and fixed it. So anyways, did a pretty good job. Oh, the other thing I wanted to show you too is on that 300-mile trip that I went on, it's kind of cool. I got more gas and I reset my counter, and 135 miles at an average speed of 68 got 25.8 miles a gallon. Crazy how efficient these and how much power these turbos kick out and how efficient they are. So anyways, I hope you liked it. If you got any questions, let me know. And we're pretty good. Till next time, see ya.